actually share here that I am based in Middle East, and this has been the major problem that we don't find the quality teachers here. Most of the teachers in Gulf countries, I'm not talking about the Dubai and all, but if I talk about Saudi Arabia and Bahrain or some other smaller countries maybe, where there is not much a chunk of skilled people. So I have found that there is a gap. If you talk about the national education policy, of course, the bring about in this policy, achievement can be brought about by the teachers only. So the teachers are the main stakeholder. The children will have the lasting impact of the teachers only. So that is very important that we need to fill up this gap where the teachers are lacking the required skills, which are the need of the hour. In fact, if we really want to go about our implementation of this new policy, this is very important that we take the help of the experienced principal, we take the help of the experts in different fields, not only in academics related stuff, but in general, because the teacher's job is not to deliver the content, but it's very you can say comprehensive job, which I must say that. So that is one of the area that I think that we must deliberate upon, and so I think this should be the area of the most important work we have to do all together. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. We will keep these thoughts in mind. And in terms of what you mentioned, yes, an aspiration for us is always to look at how we can contribute to help all of you collectively as principals to develop, but also put together a bit of a pathway whereby we can also encourage more of our youth to look at teaching as a career pathway, and also provide teachers within schools growth options and development options. And obviously, there could be a way which we can uh, look at, encouraging good quality teachers to make the progression to go overseas as well. So, yeah, happy to work with you on that one.
May I, sir?
Yeah, yeah, please, by all means, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is truly humbling to be on this platform with various types of educators, I would say. Uh, Sagarika, can I call you Sagarika? It is such a pleasure to have a sports personality. My father was an international hockey player, and actually, being a sports person is an educator. Totally agree with Shalini and Imran that we are very lucky to be on this platform. I have been in the field of education for the past 32 years, and my only contribution will be I would like to remain a learner. Mr. Imran, you've just got 2.5 years, but I'm sure your mind is fresher than we oldies. So we'll be learning a lot from you too. We will, of course, share our experience. I have been a principal, a director, but my forte, which I'll like to pick up the one that I'm really comfortable with, is the English language, communicative skills. So wherever I can improve, and that will be empowerment, because communicative skills actually forms the platform for all types of profession. So wherever y'all would like to fit me in, I would be really happy to do whatever I can. God bless you all, and thank you so much.
Ma'am, we didn't get your name, so please.
I'm Saima Khan.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I would just like to explain my name, please.
Yeah.
I've got Sai as well as Ma in my name. So,
Okay.
so that is an educator. Thank you so much. God bless you.
May I?
Yeah, yeah, please, by all means.
Happy afternoon to all of you. Thank you for creating such an excellent platform. Already we can see traces, glimpses of best practices being shared. And I think something that stayed on even when I decided to connect and come for this is how can we share best practices with each other? I'm sure as educators, you carry a lot of experience with you, and there might be some excellent practices that you're having in your schools or your organizations. I think that's something that we can benefit from each other. Like, the some of the panelists very clearly mentioned about expertise in sports field, connecting sports with education, or somebody spoke about English communication skills. So I think this is something that will eventually benefit the children. I think there isn't anything like which school, which country.